Hey guys, it's Tom with Symbol Surfing, and today I want to do a video about Darden restaurants. They reported earnings this week, and in this short video, I just want to talk about their pre-earnings price action, the post-earnings price action, which is really important as well, and what I think is next for this stock. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Click subscribe for more straightforward chart analysis, and ring the bell so you get access to our latest videos. Disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor, and this YouTube channel does not contain any kind of financial advice. All right, so let's go ahead and look at Darden. Quick profile is they're actually at a new all-time high today. They're a member of the S&P 500, and their market cap is $18 billion. So let's go ahead and look at the one-year chart. And let's move to the 3-year chart. So pre-earnings, the price was above the 50-day moving average, trending higher. It sold off a little bit into the earnings, but a day or two before the earnings, it rallied up. This vertical line is the earnings date, and then it just rallied up to these pre-earnings days, the highs of that trend. So let me just click here on the 6-month chart. You'll see there's just like a uptrend. It did sell off, and it just rallied right back up to that level. So that's basically, I just want to just highlight that pre-earnings price action. Now let's get into the post-earnings price action. So we don't have a lot of data because there's only been a few days, I think, since they reported earnings. But what I want to highlight is the price has gone higher after the earnings. The market response to their earnings report has been positive because the price has moved higher since the earnings date. So let me just explain what I mean. So basically on Thursday they reported, and the price is like 10% higher since the earnings date. So not only that, today, Friday, the price is at a 52-week high as well as an all-time high. So a 52-week high basically is, if you look at the one-year chart, this is the highest price it's been at over the course of the year, and this is just such a great uptrend right here. If you look at the 5-year chart, that's the highest price it's been over the 5 years, and then 25 years, you can see this is the highest price it's been at over, since it went public back in 2000. So a 52-week high is very bullish. Sometimes there are stocks that have multi-year highs, but this is an all-time high for a restaurant stock. I think it's just an excellent move, post earnings. So let's check that off list. So now I just want to talk about what I think is next for Darden restaurants. And by the way, if you're not familiar with Darden restaurants, I have this pulled up. These are just their brands. You have Olive Garden, Longhorn Steakhouse, Cheddar's, Yard House, the Capitol Grill, Seasons 52, Bahama Breeze, and Eddie V. So I've only been to a couple of these restaurants, but I've had a great experience, at the different ones I have been to. So I've been really happy with that. All right. So what do I think is next for this stock? Well, I think this chart will basically explain, a picture's worth 1,000 words. The trend is your friend. And what that means to me is, even with the pandemic, if you draw a few lines here, you'll see that this pre-pandemic, this is the trend the stock was on. And, there's obviously competition, there's other restaurants, and there's, these are just support and resistant lines or trend lines. And you can see that even with the pandemic, there was the drop, and it had a very steep increase, but basically this steep increase only brought it back in line with this previous longer term trend. And then on the 5-year chart, this goes back to I guess 2014. You can start to see, something like that. So I am bullish on this stock. There's always competition. There's always risk in stocks. And, there could be more competition. So, always do your homework. But in my opinion, I think the trend is your friend, and I think this stock could continue to move higher. Again, if you like this video, I'd really appreciate if you click the thumbs up, and I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Click subscribe for more straightforward chart analysis like this, and ring the bell so you get access to our latest videos. Thanks again for watching.